This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. Let's start off by talking about social media. Do you use social media often?
Yes, I use social media almost every day. I mainly use it to stay connected with friends and family, follow news, and keep up with trends. It's also a good way to discover new content like recipes, music, or interesting articles.
What social media platforms do you use?
I use a few different platforms. I'm active on Instagram and Facebook, where I share photos and updates with friends. I also use Twitter for following news and trending topics. Recently, I've started using LinkedIn for professional networking.
Do you think social media has changed the way we communicate?
Yes, I think it has completely changed the way we communicate. It's now much easier to stay in touch with people, even if they live far away. We can instantly share updates, photos, and videos, which helps us feel connected. However, I think social media has also made communication less personal sometimes, as people may rely more on texting and posting rather than face to face interactions.
Do you follow any celebrities on social media?
Yes, I follow a few celebrities and influencers. I enjoy seeing their updates on travel, fashion, and fitness. It's interesting to see how they live their lives, and sometimes I get inspiration from them for my own hobbies and interests.
Have you ever taken a break from social media?
Yes, I've taken breaks from social media a few times. Sometimes it feels overwhelming to constantly be online, so stepping away helps me focus on other things like reading or spending time outdoors. I think it's healthy to disconnect every once in a while.
That's the end of part one. Now we are going to move to part two. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a time when you had to work with a team. You should say what the task was, who you worked with, how you worked together, and explain how successful the teamwork was.
One time when I had to work with a team was during my final year at university. We were assigned a group project to create a marketing campaign for a small local business. The project was part of our marketing course, and the goal was to develop a campaign that would help the business increase its visibility. There were 4 people in my group, and each of us had different roles based on our strengths. To ensure we worked effectively as a team, we started by holding a meeting to divide responsibilities. One person was in charge of researching the business, another focused on market analysis, while I took on the role of organizing the content and designing the presentation. We also had someone who handled the creative side of the campaign, designing visuals and coming up with slogans. We used group messaging apps and video calls to stay connected and track our progress. One of the key elements that helped us succeed was clear communication. We regularly updated each other on our tasks and provided feedback to improve the campaign. Whenever someone faced a challenge, the rest of the team stepped in to help, which ensured we stayed on schedule. We also set mini deadlines for each section of the project to keep ourselves accountable. In the end, our campaign was well received by both our professor and the business owner. Working in a team allowed us to combine our individual strengths, and I learned that good collaboration and communication are essential to achieving success in group projects.
That's the end of part two. Now we are going to move to part three. We are going to continue to talk about teamwork. Do you think teamwork is important in the workplace?
Yes, I believe teamwork is essential in most workplaces. When people work together, they can combine their strengths, share ideas, and solve problems more efficiently. Teamwork also fosters collaboration, which can lead to better results and a more positive work environment. It helps build trust and improves communication among employees.
What are the advantages of working in a team compared to working alone?
Working in a team has several advantages compared to working alone. First, it allows for different perspectives and ideas, which can lead to more creative solutions. It also spreads the workload, so tasks are completed more quickly and efficiently. Additionally, when working in a team, you have others to support you and help when you face challenges, which can make tasks less stressful.
What challenges do people face when working in a team?
One challenge people face in teamwork is communication. If team members aren't clear about their responsibilities or don't communicate well, it can lead to misunderstandings and delays. Another challenge is managing different personalities and working styles. Some people may prefer to work independently, while others thrive in a group setting. Ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working toward the same goal can sometimes be difficult.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.